Hello everyone. I welcome you all to the second lecture on the subject of business communication. In this lecture, we are discussing second unit business letters. So, as I told in the first lecture, here we are covering your second chapter. And in your second chapter, few important concepts we are talking about which are related to business letters. So, in the last lecture, we have seen an introduction to business letter. We talked about various meanings of business letter and then I have explained various importance of business letters. Now in this lecture we will talk about the second point, that is qualities, essentials or physical appearance of the business letter. So let's begin with the qualities of business letter. The qualities of business letters are divided into two, that is, inner qualities and outer qualities. Whenever a business letter is written, the most important thing is that how it is written, how you are communicating your message, how clearly, how accurately all the things are mentioned, how you are following the layout and format of the letter. So when all these things are kept in mind, then we can write a proper business letter. So first, let's see what are the inner qualities. Inner quality of the business letter refers to quality of language, content, and presentation. These qualities help in quick and easy understanding, which results in prompt action. So, as I said, whenever a business letter is written, it has to be written in such way that the language of the letter is clear, accurate, simple, and easy to understand. So, that is why the first part is inner qualities, and under inner quality, we are talking about language, that is, content of your letter, and how you have presented those contents in that letter. So first is simplicity. Simple and easy language should be used for writing business letter. Difficult words should be avoided so that the reader will understand just by reading once. So this is the first quality of any business letter, that the letter should be written in simple language, because the reason is when a letter is written in simple language, the reader easily understands it and he don't have to read the letter again and again to understand the matter of the letter. So that is why the first quality is the letter should always be simple in language. Second point is clarity. Again, it is about the language. The language should be clear so that the receiver will understand the message immediately. Ambiguous language creates confusion. The letter should result in clear understanding. So, as we have mentioned that letters should have certain type of language which is easy to understand, and here as we are talking about language, that is why the second point says that the language should be clear so that the receiver will understand the message immediately. Ambiguous language, ambiguous means words having more than possible one meaning. So if the word is creating more than one meaning, it might create misunderstanding. The third quality is accuracy. The statement written in the letter should be accurate to the best of knowledge of the sender. Accuracy demands that there are no errors in language, grammar, spelling. So this is the third quality of a good business letter. It should be accurate. That is, many times we see some grammatical mistakes are there, some spelling mistakes are there, and because of that, the reader is not able to read the letter properly. or he will not understand what is written in that letter. So that is why a letter should be written accurately without any mistakes. Number four quality is completeness. A letter is one that provide all the necessary information to the users. For example, while sending order letter, quality, quantity, shape, size, design, date of delivery, mode of transport, etc. should be specified. So here, what they are trying to say is that the letter should always have complete and necessary information. If the information is incomplete, it will become difficult for the reader to understand the letter. That is why it should be complete. Next, number five is relevance. Letter should contain only essential information. Irrelevant information should not be mentioned as it increases the content and length of the letter. So, as per the fifth point, a letter should be written such that it has only the things which are related to your subject. For example, you are writing order letter, then you should mention only things related to your order. You should not write any other things which might increase the length of the letter. So that is why it is important to keep your letter related to your subject. Sixth point is courtesy. Courtesy wins the heart of the reader. In business letter, courtesy can be shown by mentioning words like please, thank you. So courtesy basically means showing gratitude. When you are showing gratitude, you can show it by using words like please or thank you. So when such words are mentioned in the letter, it becomes more courtesyful for the reader to read. Number seven is neatness. A neat letter is always impressive. One should avoid overwriting and cuttings. Neatness improves overall appearance of the letter. So as we are talking about inner qualities and all these qualities are related to language. So a letter should be neat. It should be neat means it should be written carefully. You should avoid sorry you should avoid overwriting and cutting. So here we have discussed all the 7 points related to inner qualities of business letter. Now we will move on to the second part, that is outer qualities. Outer quality of business letter refers to the external appearance of the letter. A letter, when received, should always create positive and favorable impression in the mind of the reader. First is quality of the paper. The paper should be in accordance with the economic status of the firm. A good quality paper improves the appearance of the letter. So the outer qualities, as you can see, they are about how the letter appears, how it looks. So first is you have to consider quality of paper. You should always use a good quality paper. Second is color of the paper. It is better to use different type of colors for different types of letter. Third is size of the paper. A size of the paper should be accordance with the size of envelope and the size of paper should be A4 size. Now A4 size is a standard format or standard size which is used currently or which is used most popularly. Number 4 is folding of letter. The letter should be folded properly and uniformly. None should give minimum folds to the letter. If window envelope is used, the folds should be such that the address of the receiver is visible through the transparent part of the envelope. So giving many folds might disturb the appearance of the letter. So that is why the fold should be given carefully to the letter. And if you are using window envelope, that is envelope which has a plastic window which shows the inside of the letter, then accordingly fold should be given. Fifth is envelopes. The size and quality of the envelope also need special attention. A business firm may use different types of envelope available in the market like ordinary envelope, window envelope or laminated envelope. So all these things are related to outer qualities of the business letter. So here you must have understood how business letters can be written effectively. We have to maintain the inner quality which are related to language, and we also have to maintain outer qualities which are related to appearance of the letter. Thank you.